Hello friends. Today's topic is how to download the public certificate of any particular site. Normally, these public certificates, why we require? Whenever if we try to interact with any Linux machine these particular site programmatically through Python or Java application, so you need this public certificate. If it is the certificate is protected with SSL. So if we didn't download the certificate and put into your JCC asserts or C asserts, then your program will gonna throw the error unable to find the Java certificate and SSL exception. So in order to avoid these SSL exception, you need to download the public certificate from this site, and then you need to copy this public certificate into your C asserts and JCC asserts. So let's see how to download these public certificate. So we can use a particular means open SSL command to see how many certificates are there, and the same certificate can be downloaded. So let's see how many certificates exist for this particular google.com. So I'm just executing the command for a google.com using OpenSSL. So when we hit a command, so you can able to see certain information about the certificates, how many are there. So let's see what all the things are there. So these are the certificate details: begin certificate and end certificate. Totally, there are 3 certificate exist. So what we will do, we will gonna copy these certificate information into Notepad, and then we will gonna see what all the things we need actually. So there are some unnecessary items are there. So we will gonna trim the unnecessary contents, and then we will gonna keep it only the contents which are required for us. So I'm just trimming the unnecessary contents. So I'm just copying and saving it to our local machine. So what I am doing, vi google.com, google.pem, I'm just saving into a file. So I have saved the certificate information to this PEM file. So what I'm doing, I wanted to see what all the contents are there, whether I have copied the right certificate or not. How to check it out? You can use a key tool command, -print cert -file. So using this command, we can able to see the information of certificates. So if you see here, right, google.com is a owner. Yeah, the correct, whatever the certificate we downloaded is a google.com. And you can able to see the certificate authority. Google Trust Service is one of the certificate authority, which is provided with this certificate. And if we come down, we can see the lot of subject alternative names. These subject alternative names, it's referred to the different domains. It means child domains exist in a google.com. So when you copy this certificate into your C asserts or JCC asserts, you can able to interact with all these domains. So you no need to import the certificate for externally for these child domains. Once we have a root domain, then root certificate, sorry, it's a root certificate. You no need to download once again with these child domains. And the next one is one of the intermediate certificates. This also is very much required. So, and the next one is also one of the root intermediate certificate. You can see these are the 3 certificates, and this is a root certificate. So if you see in the right, it's one of the root CA. So all these 3 certificates can be imported into CSRs and JCC asserts. So this is how we can able to download the certificate from a particular site. Okay, that's it. Thank you.